The brakes on this three-wheeled vehicle are not returning to their original position, causing it to waste power and not travel far. The battery, even when fully charged, only lasts a few kilometers. Let's take a look at the brakes. Every time the brakes are applied, they have to be manually pulled back to their original position. Sometimes after driving for a while, you hear a clicking sound, and then the brakes return to their original position. This problem is very common in these three-wheeled vehicles. It's usually due to worn brake pads or rust caused by water ingress. Let's open it up and take a look. It's clear that the inside is severely rusted, and there's also mud inside. It seems the vehicle is frequently used for farm work in muddy fields. Now let's remove the brake pad caliper and the brake pads. Fortunately, the brake pads aren't rusted onto the caliper. Some are so rusted they can't be removed at all. These are relatively easy to remove, but the inside is full of mud. Let's take a look. This is the main reason the brakes aren't returning to their original position. Now that we've removed the brake pads, let's sand down the rusted parts and loosen the brake mechanism. We'll apply some lubricant to the moving parts. We'll replace the brake pads with new ones. The old brake pads are quite severely rusted. Replacing them should generally solve the problem. There are two retaining clips that hold the brake pads in place. Now let's put the wheel back on and see the effect. It's okay if the new brake pads are a little tight. Let's try it. The wheel rotates freely without the brakes applied. But after applying the brakes once, the brakes are still as tight as before. The brakes are still not returning to their original position, just like before replacing the brake pads. We still have to manually pull the brake lever to get the brakes to return to their original position. What's going on? Let's open it up again. We'll remove the wheel and take out the brake pads again. Let's see where the problem is. We've cleaned everything that needed cleaning, and we've added lubricant where needed. Why are the brakes still not returning to their original position? I suspect the problem is with the brake rocker arm. Let's remove the brake rocker arm. There's another retaining clip here. After removing it, let's take a look. The lubricant we applied didn't get into this area, and it's severely rusted. Let's sand it down. Now that it's clean, let's apply some lubricant to this area again. Now let's put it back together. Let's see if we can fix this brake return issue. We'll install this brake pad, put the retaining clip on, and now install the wheel. Let's check the effect. After installation, we'll adjust the brake. Since it's a new brake pad, tightening it a bit is fine. Now let's rotate the wheel and press the brake. It seems to be returning to its original position. We can check here. It's returning completely. So the brake problem is solved. We can also check the other side. Generally, it's best to replace both brake pads. Let's open it up and take a look. The situation on both sides is basically the same. There's a lot of mud inside. Now we'll remove the brake pad. This car is strange. There's a lot of mud inside, but the brake pad isn't completely rusted and stuck. It's easy to remove. After removing it, we'll replace it with a new brake pad. First, loosen the brake, then clean out all the mud inside. We'll also remove the shaft on this side of the brake lever. We'll clean this shaft as well, unlike the other side where we didn't clean the shaft and had to do it again. After cleaning everything, we'll apply lubricant to all the necessary parts. Don't add too much lubricant. If you add too much, it will have the opposite effect. If too much oil gets into the brake pad, the braking effect will be significantly reduced. Okay, now let's put the wheel on and see how the brake works. Okay, let's tighten the brake a little more. New brake pads need to be slightly tighter for the best effect. Okay, it looks like there are no problems now. The brake is returning completely. Let's test it on the road and see the braking effect. It's perfectly fine. Both wheels are braking.